this week we're looking at joining the letter T onto a word. So it's Wednesday, 3rd of February, we're learning to join T. So the first row is just a really nice line of the letter T. So it's a letter that sits on the line. It's a little bit taller than half size, but not as tall as a tall letter like H. It's a nice line of T. Then we've got bat. So tall B, then into the A, into the T. Remember, you should be able to see each letter individually. They shouldn't be joined so much that you can't actually make out the individual letters. B, A, T. Okay, I think my last one, give it a little squiggly line. Cat. Oh, that wasn't sitting on the line very well. Try better next time. So in this one, you can nicely see that the C and the A are similar size and the T is just that little bit bigger. Hat. So it starts with a tall letter, half the size, and then the T. H, at, H, A, T. I think the first one's better because it's managed to all sit on the line. Then the final one, I've got a sentence this time. So it's the bat with a hat sat on the cat. So see if you can copy the whole sentence. Well, the poor cat. Now, I've been really pleased to see that people have been using joined writing in all of their writing when I'm looking at the assignment. So well done if you're giving it a go in other places.